Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2018 Kawasaki Ninja 400. This lightweight sport bike just arrived with only 2,995 miles. Beautiful condition, metallic black with frame sliders. Price to sell quickly, just $4,499. Come by, check it out. This bike is beautiful. Twin cylinder 400 lightweight sport, fuel injection, 6-speed transmission. Make your motorcycle dreams come true with this gorgeous Ninja 400. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostabus.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.